Welcome to Astrograhology, where the stars speak and destinies unfold. As we step into December 2025, the cosmos begins to weave powerful new patterns that influence love, career, finances, and personal growth for every zodiac sign. This month carries a unique blend of transformative planetary movements guiding us towards endings, beginnings, and long awaited breakthroughs. Sit back, relax, and let the universe reveal what December has in store for you, along with the remedies, lucky colors, and cosmic tools that can help you align with your highest path. Let's dive into your December 2025 predictions. Aries Moon or Aries Ascendant. December brings Aries a month of bold energy, deep motivation, and renewed passion for life. In love, this is a time where your confidence becomes magnetic. Singles may attract someone assertive and ambitious, while couples begin resolving old misunderstandings through clear and honest communication. Career wise, this month pushes you into leadership roles and greater responsibilities. A long awaited project finally gains momentum, and your competitive spirit helps you outperform your rivals. Financially, you may see gains through past investments or property related actions, but try to control impulsive spending which can arise due to excitement or stress. Health requires attention as stress, headaches, or physical exhaustion may surface. Maintaining hydration, balanced sleep, and moderate exercise will help you stay centered. For remedies, light a ghee lamp on Tuesdays, wear red color, and keep number 9 in your mind for important decisions. Tuesday remains your luckiest day this month. Taurus Moon or Taurus Ascendant. December brings Taurus calm strength, consistency, and emotional stability. Love becomes more grounded and comforting, with singles meeting someone reliable and mature who values long term partnership, while couples enjoy warmth and plan important milestones such as home changes or financial decisions together. In career matters, your patience and focus begins to pay off. This is a month of completing long pending tasks with determination, gaining recognition from seniors, and stepping into roles that allow your steady nature to shine. Financially, the flow remains stable with opportunities to invest in long term assets like gold or property. Avoid indulgent spending that drains savings. Health requires moderate care, especially for the throat, neck, and digestion. Simple home cooked meals and gentle exercise will help. To enhance positivity, wear white color, honor Friday, keep number 6 close, and offer white flowers to Goddess Lakshmi for abundance. Gemini Moon or Gemini Ascendant. For Gemini, December is a month of transformation, intellectual breakthroughs, and expressive clarity. Love grows through meaningful conversation. Singles may meet someone who stimulates their mind and shares similar ideals, while couples heal emotional wounds through open dialogue. In career matters, your creative side shines strongly. Writers, teachers, speakers, social media creators, and marketing professionals thrive as your ideas receive appreciation. However, multitasking may create unnecessary stress, so prioritize tasks carefully. Financially, income remains strong, but spending may rise on travel, learning, or electronic gadget. Health-wise, lungs, chest, and anxiety-related issues may need attention. To enhance your energy, wear yellow color. Use number 5 for important choices. Honor Wednesday and donate books or stationery for good fortune. Cancer Moon or Cancer Ascendant. December is a deeply nurturing month for Cancer, bringing emotional clarity, healing, and stronger family bonds. In love, singles may attract someone warm hearted and caring, while couples deepen their emotional connection and resolve past pain. This is a month where hurt feelings finally begin to dissolve. Career wise, Cancerians experience success in creative fields, caregiving professionals, hospitality, and education. Travel related to work may open unexpected opportunities, and a new job or transition may appear. Financially, you experience steady but slow growth. This is an excellent time to save and plan for future security. Health needs gentle care, especially digestion and immunity. Warm meals, rest, and emotional balance will help greatly. For remedies, wear silver color, honor Monday, use number 2, offer white foods to the moon, and stay hydrated for emotional clarity. Leo Moon or Leo Ascendant. December lightens up Leo's world with passion, recognition, and strong personal presence. In love, singles attract admirers effortlessly and may meet someone who is bold and vibrant, while couples may experience intense moments but should avoid ego clashes. Career brings new opportunities, promotions, leadership roles, and recognition for your work are strongly indicated as your charisma influences everyone around you. Financially, income improves and opportunities for growth show up. But you may overspend on luxury or celebration. Managing expenses wisely will help long term. Health requires attention primarily around spine, heart, and blood pressure. So, maintaining physical discipline will be essential. To bring more luck, wear gold color, embrace Sunday, keep number 1 in mind, and chant Om Suryaya Namaha for clarity and strength. Virgo Moon or Virgo Ascendant. December brings Virgo a sense of order, routine, and mental clarity. In love, singles may reconnect with someone from the past, while couples experience stability through shared routines and meaningful conversations. Though overthinking could create unnecessary worry. Career wise, this is a productive month filled with analytical tasks, problem solving, and opportunities to guide or mentor others. Hard work brings measurable results. Money matters remain balanced, though family related expenses might rise. Health requires attention to digestion, nerves, and sleep cycles. Consistent rest will make a big difference. To enhance your month, wear green color, honor Wednesday, use number 5, help someone in need, and keep your surroundings clean for mental clarity. Libra moon or Libra ascendant. Libra enters December with harmony, creativity, and fresh social connections. Love blossoms beautifully. Singles may step into a new romantic beginning, while couples finally settle pending issues and create a balanced emotional environment. Professionally, negotiations go smoothly and creative partnerships bring wonderful results. This is a great month for collaborations, artistic ventures, and public facing roles. Financially, the month brings strong returns from past investments, but the urge to spend on beauty or luxury items should be moderated. Health requires attention around the skin, kidneys, and hydration. Maintain water balance throughout the day. To improve luck, wear pink color, keep number 6, honor Friday, and offer flowers to Goddess Lakshmi for inner harmony. Scorpio moon or Scorpio ascendant. December is a powerful month of transformation and emotional intensity for Scorpio. Love becomes passionate and honest. Singles attract someone mysterious, magnetic, and deeply intuitive, while couples heal long standing issues and reconnect on a soulful level. Secrets may come to light, bringing closure or clarity. Career wise, your strategic mindset helps you excel, especially in research, finance, psychology, or investigative fields. You may encounter minor power struggles, but your intuition guides you well. Financially, earnings increase, but sudden expenses may arise. So, budgeting is important. Health requires attention around stress, hormones, and sleep. Meditation will be the key. To attract positive energy, wear maroon color, honor Tuesday, use number 9, and donate red fruits or clothing. Sagittarius moon or Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarians enter December with renewed optimism, adventure, and spiritual expansion. Love becomes exciting. Singles may meet someone through travel, learning, or online connections, while couples explore new experiences and bond through shared dreams. Career opportunities arise through travel, education, training, or global connections. A new role or project may expand your horizons. Financially, gains come through travel, teaching, or international dealings, but avoid risky investments. Health requires attention around thighs, liver, and overeating. Light exercise and controlled diet will help you. For remedies, wear purple, honor Thursday, and keep number 3. Offer bananas to Lord Vishnu and chant the Gayatri mantra for protection. Capricorn Moon or Capricorn Ascendant. December grounds Capricorn with discipline, responsibility, and quiet yet powerful success. Love deepens as emotional barriers soften. Singles attract mature and stable partners, while couples discuss future plans, marriage, or home related commitments. Career becomes the central focus. Promotions, leadership roles, or recognition for long term hard work are strongly indicated. Money matters improve through disciplined budgeting and strategic planning. Excellent time for savings and investments. Health requires care for bones, knees, and back. Regular stretching will be very important. To enhance your month, wear dark blue, honor Saturday, use number 8, offer sesame oil to Shani Dev, and maintain a calm meditation routine. Aquarius Moon or Aquarius Ascendant. Aquarius moves through December with innovation, fresh ideas, and forward looking energy. In love, singles attract someone unique and unconventional, while couples need to improve communication and understanding. Friendships may turn romantic unexpectedly. In career matters, your creativity and futuristic thinking are appreciated. Technology, design, innovation, and digital work bring success. Financially, gains come through ideas and side projects. Though income may fluctuate, avoid lending large sums to someone. Health requires attention around your lower leg, circulation, and anxiety. Stay grounded. To attract positive vibrations, wear electric blue, honor Saturday, and keep number 4 and feed birds regularly. Pisces Moon or Pisces Ascendant. Pisces entered December with spiritual growth, creativity, and emotional depth. Love becomes soft and intuitive. Singles meet someone artistic or spiritually aligned, while couples strengthen emotional understanding and dissolve misunderstandings. In career matters, creative fields, healing professions, and intuitive work thrive. Guidance from a mentor or spiritual teacher may shape your path. Financially, this is a month of planning and long term strategy. But avoid blindly trusting others with money. Health requires attention around immunity, feet, and emotional well being. Meditation and rest are essential. For remedies, wear sea green color, honor Thursday, keep number 7 in mind, chant Om Namo Narayana, and meditate near water. Thank you for watching Astro Grahology. If these predictions resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment your zodiac sign below and let me know what you expect this December 2025. See you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay cosmic.